Hello viewers, today with Team Donovan we're going to be making some delicious cucumber salad. Quick, easy, it's just perfect for just making it real quick for lunch. Now I'm going to be using an English cucumber, red onion, tomato. To be using store-bought Tzatziki, but you can make your own with Greek yogurt and some other things. Everything seasoning, some cashews for some extra protein and crunch. So let's get to going here. And start by getting this cucumber on a mandolin. So everything's nice, small, and uniform. Now, I've made this directly into a mason jar before, but this time I'm going to be just putting it into a bowl. Look at that cucumber fly. Very quick. Go, speed racer, go! Alright. Take that. Throw it into the bowl. And get this out of the way. I got some Roma tomato here. But I'm not going to be using the mandolin. I like a thicker, chunky, little heft to my aromas. I'm just going to cut this into threes and threes again. And of course, don't forget the onions, which I love. Let's just get that ready. I'm just going to chop off a chunk, not too much, because this is going directly into the mandolin again. Okay, now that that's been chopped, just toss that on top. Now we have the base. Now you can follow along in the blog in the description, but here we are with the tzatziki and a good portion, a couple spoons. Call it good. I like a little bit of everything bagel on mine. Just adds different flavor to it. And we're just gonna mix. It's looking pretty good, pretty good. See? Now if you want, you can put some salt on these cucumbers, get some of the moisture out. But you know, cucumbers are so good for you with inflammation and making you feel full, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I mean, other than a little bit of salt on top, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, and for just a little bit more protein and crunch, I'm gonna take some cashews and just gonna crunch them up just like that. Now this will make enough for 2 people. I'm just gonna mix that again. Woo-wee. It's gonna be so tasty. Alright, sorry about that. So we have this. Just enjoy. So healthy, so good. Don't forget to follow along on the blog. And don't forget to like and subscribe.